I am Rathod Amika. I am in civil engineering. My topic, my maintenance of road. Introduction to road maintenance. Road maintenance means regular activities to keep highways and roads safe, smooth, functional, and long lasting. Why road maintenance is important? Safety minimize accidents caused by damaged road. For comfort, provided smooth and comfortable travel. Preservation of investment road are closely to build. Maintenance protect that environment longevity, increase pavement life and reduce the need for reconstructions in economics if we can see well maintained or road reduce vehicle operating cost and travel time. Roads get damaged due to natural and human related factors, traffic related causes, heavy vehicles, correct fitting in pavement, overloaded trucks, house routing and cracks. Environment causes water ingress, weakness, pavement layers. सड़क रखरखाव का परिचय. सड़क रखरखाव का अर्थ है राजमार्गों और सड़कों को सुरक्षित, सुचारू, कार्यात्मक और दीर्घकालिक बनाए रखने के लिए नियमित गतिविधियां करना. क्षतिग्रस्त सड़कों के फायदा होने वाली दुर्घटनाओं को न्यूनतम करता है. आराम, सुगम एवं आरामदायक यात्रा प्रदान करता है. निवेश का संरक्षण. सड़कों का निर्माण महंगा होता है. रखरखाव से उच्च निवेश की सुरक्षा होती है. दीर्घ फुटपाथ का जीवन बढ़ता है और पुनर्निर्माण की आवश्यकता कम हो जाती है. आर्थिक रक्षा. अर्थ तरह से अनुसूचित सड़कें वाहन परिचालन लागत और समय को कम करती है. कॉजेज ऑफ रोड डिटोरेशन. रोड खराब सड़क के कई प्राकृतिक और मानवीय कारणों से क्षतिग्रस्त हो जाती है. रोड गेट डैमेज ड्यू टू सेवरल नेचुरल एंड ह्यूमन रिलेटेड फैक्टर. ट्रैफिक रिलेटेड कॉजेज, हेवी व्हीकल्स, कैरेक्टर फटीग इन पेवमेंट, overloaded trucks, causes routing and cracks. Environmental causes water ingress, weakness pavement layers. Temperature change causes expression and constriction leading to cracks. Oxidation hardness bitumen and makes the surface better. Construction related causes poor quality materials, improve compaction or inadequate thickness. Faculty drainage design. Classification of road maintenance. Road maintenance is mainly divided into 4 types. 1. Routine maintenance done regularly or daily, includes cleaning, draining, cutting, virgination, patching small toothless road, making and saying repairing. 2. Product maintenance done every 3 to 7 years. Preventive action such as respiring absorb overlay and shell cost. 3. Specially repairs related and for restoring structure strength includes reconstruction and of damaged section, measure patching and strengthening overlays. For emergency maintenance done immediately after events like heavy rains, floods, landslide accident, common pavement failures. These are the typical defects seen on road. 1. Alligator cracking. Network of integrated cracks like an alligator skin caused by fatigue requires full path repair. 2. Routing depression in wheel paths caused by heavy loads or weak pavement base treatment, milling plus overlay. 3. Toothless blouse pad depression formed due to water entry and traffic treated using puthal patching or a cold mix. For transfer, cracking cracks occur the road at right angles due to temperature variance requires cracks sealing. 5. Joint spelling on correct pavement breaking or shaping and pavement joint required with partial depth or full depth repairing. Maintenance management effect efficient road maintenance requires the organizational planning and monitoring key elements. 1. Pavement management system PMS, a systematic approach to decide when to repair, what treatment to apply, how to minimize cost. Condition survey using tools like PCI pavement condition index, visually infection to access road health. 3. Right temperament, right time, focus on preventive maintenance before major damage cause, saves cost and increase lifespan. Thank you.